So the AA used to have a saying about a man that can. Today, it's going to be a woman that can. Hey up and welcome back, hope you've been okay. So today's little upgrade is we're going to be changing the gas struts on the tailgate. The ones that we've got at the minute, they're a little bit floppy. As soon as you lift it up, it drops down. It's mainly to do with the weight that we've put in from the insulation and the headboard. However, it did belong to an AA man, and I'm assuming it were up and down all day, so it doesn't work anymore. We've gone for some extra strong struts, 850 neutrons. Now, I did have to look this up, and apparently a neutron is something to do with the strength of the lift. I could be wrong, let me know if I am, I probably am. But I know that these are going to be a lot more heavy duty, and hopefully then keep the van lid up. We can do a little bit of cooking under there and a little bit of shelter when it's raining. So let's go and see how I do this. So today I've got my support act with me, Ivan. He's going to actually hold the tailgate up for me while I change these struts. It is a very simple job. However, I would recommend having somebody to help you to support the roof. Last thing you want is that falling on your head. So the first thing I need to do is actually make sure that this is the right size. When using a flathead screwdriver, you have to then release these little clips. There's one on the bottom and then one on the top. Right, so the first job is to release these little clips. Ouch! Which are quite easy, apart from I've cut my finger already. And then there's one right up at the top too. There's one up there to release. Again, quite easy. And then it's just a case of releasing these little ball joints. Oh, that were easy, one down. And then making sure we put them back on the right way, pressing the ball joint on the bottom. Right, and then that one clips in onto the top, nice and solid. That were actually really quite easy, so we've just got to repeat it now on the other side, and hopefully that's going to sort our problem out. We've only actually replaced one, and this is just to show you how strong these actually are. If my glamour assistant now steps to the side, we'll be able to show you just how strong it is. However, I need him to stand back now in position just to assist me while I do the other one. Sometimes I do need a little bit of help. Well, thank you to my glamorous assistant, Ivan. And I did need his help, but never mind, I still managed most of it myself. And now it actually takes a little bit of force to close it. I've always enjoyed doing stuff like this, and once you have a go, you realise you can actually do a lot more than what you think. Some of the jobs on these vans, they can be quite expensive when you take them to the garage, but to be honest, a lot of them are actually things that you can actually have a go and do by yourself. Ironically, over the past years, I've always used YouTube to teach myself how to do things. It's a brilliant place for actually finding information out, or Google. or ChatGPT, or Nora, as I've actually started to call her because I can't pronounce it whatsoever. It is nice knowing that hopefully I'm helping one or two of you to do things in the van, to go out there and do some solo adventures. And yeah, I'm feeling really, really good. So if you've enjoyed this and want to see more hints and tips, more upgrades that we're going to be doing on the van, and also following me along on my solo adventures, then just subscribe, press the reminder button and it'll let you know when the next video's out. And just for now, take care, and I'll see you soon. Cheers.